ready to unleash the power of chatbots and automated messaging on your website, but feeling overwhelmed by the installation process? Well, buckle up, because in the next minute and a half, we're going to break down exactly how to install the Xerochat script and get your interactive messaging up and running. First, you'll need to access your web server. This might be through a control panel like cPanel or via FTP. Once you're in, locate the file manager. It's your gateway to uploading all the necessary Xerochat files. Create a new folder specifically for Xerochat. Or if you prefer, upload the files directly into your website's root directory. With the folder ready, go ahead and upload the Xerochat script files. Make sure to upload all of them, including any associated folders. Next, we'll need to establish the database connection. Head over to your database management tool, like phpMyAdmin, and create a new database for Xerochat. Then, find the Xerochat configuration file. It's often named something like config or database. Open this file in a text editor and carefully enter your database name, username, password, and server hostname. Be absolutely sure you've entered these correctly, or Xerochat won't be able to connect. Save the changes, and navigate to your website address, followed by the Xerochat directory name in your web browser. This should kick off the final installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include creating an admin user and setting up basic configurations, and that's it. With these steps completed, Xerochat is now installed and ready to transform your website's communication. Go forth and automate.